Hello guys, it's me, Tony K. I'm a trader. Today my introduction a little bit different. Previously it was like that.
Hi, Tony K is here. Today we're going to talk about miners and investors.
But today I start my video lesson about trading algorithm right from my house, and the reason is I have already almost 700 subscribers. You watch my videos, make comments, some occasional visitors become my new subscribers. And this is so amazing. You even text me on the Telegram and WhatsApp. When I decided to make this channel in English, I didn't even expect such a friendly welcome. Just listen to this. Hi, I found you on YouTube and subscribed to your videos. Thank you for your time and looking forward to get to know you better. One more last thing, I want to wish you good health, prosperity and success in your business and personal ventures. Wow, I don't remember any kind of such words from unfamiliar people. You friends are very cool. Thank you very much for supporting me. So today I want to tell you about myself a little bit before I am going to share with you my trading algorithm. As I have already said, I am a trader. I have been trading everything that I could find for the last 10 years. Stocks on New York Stock Exchange, futures on indexes on different futures exchanges, fiat currencies, options, even bonds. I started as a prop trader and was pretty good at scalping. I did hundreds of trades every day. It was from 2012 until the 2016. I was also very interested in pair trading and in algorithmic trading till the 2017. And of course, I am also a long-term and medium-term investor. For the last 2 years, I also have been trading cryptocurrencies like many of you. And I'm actually a miner, little bit. I have bought 30 NVIDIA graphics cards like GTX 1080 and GTX 1070 and assembled 7 mining rigs last April. Before this, I almost made $50,000 on cryptocurrencies, but lost half of it and spent the rest $25,000 on mining. So if you're interested in this topic, I'm gonna tell you about this amazing experience whenever you want. Just let me know in comments. Well, I didn't make millions of dollars for this period, but I make enough for living, for buying property, land, cars, and so on. For a long time, I traded in Moscow office of prop trading company. It's rather cool to work closely with your colleagues. You can discuss ideas, strategies, and make a joint analysis. But now, after the birth of my lovely daughter, my wife and me, we left away from the big city, from Moscow. Here is a clean air, more trees outside. Life is easier and cheaper a little bit. We have a huge flat. There are a lot of free space here. 5 rooms, 2 bathrooms, and I have my own gym here. And I don't waste a lot of time in traffic jam, so my wife can spend some time to herself while I'm watching our baby. That is how it looks like. Here in my house, I made the office of my dream. A very powerful computer station with 4 big monitors. It's a very useful thing for trading, work, surfing the internet, learning English, and so on. As I have already said, I have my own gym here, but I prefer make exercises right here at my desk, like this. And sometimes I bend these steel nails, yeah, and then I knit them in a tight knot. I'll show you. Like this. And like this. Then put them together. And make a knot like this. So, and really this is the only way to keep me in fit, in pretty terrible fit, actually. Well, I also have dozens of new books. I like books and reading. I like books and reading, and I know the secret of fast reading. I can, for example, read this one for 2 hours, and I will understand everything that I will read. So I smoking the pipes. Yes, I smoke sometimes. For example, when I need to write a text, it really helps. It really helps for me. English study books, word cards, dictionaries. I really have everything that a real trader can only dream of here in my house office. Those word cards and my YouTube channel are related a little bit. I have a very interesting idea which keeps me awake and bothers me often. Not an idea actually, just a goal. But my low or on the beginner level of English and absence of experience in speaking prevent me from reaching this goal. Well, enough of this story. I will finish it a little bit later, after I'm going to share with you my trading algorithm. So let's go to the studio.
Come on, guys! As I promised, my trading algorithm, or my algorithm of trading. By the way, the lesson is only about cryptocurrency trading. For stocks, futures, options and bonds, the algorithm will be different, of course. A few words about what I trade. I trade low liquid altcoins and tokens. These coins must be placed on a very small numbers of exchange, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the max. This is very important. I don't trade currencies from top 25 or 50 by traded volume. If you have a question why, write a comment and I will try to make a new video about this. So, because of that, because of my love to low liquid cryptocurrencies, I only buy coins and tokens. No way for short trades. Why I avoid short trades? Again, write a comment and I will try to explain it in the next video. First of all, I pay attention to the chart and then on an order book. On stock market, we call it level 2. I usually use technical analysis and price action analysis to assessing the risk and potential reward of the situation on the chart. I look for some patterns that I know well and that have already proved their profitability for me. There are a lot of patterns I use. Usually they are combinations of different things: trends, candles or bars, volumes and durations of movement. Again, if you want to know this, please write a comment. My risk appetites are very big. Market volatility sets its own rules. I want a lot of profit and I'm ready for high risk. So, in short, how does my process of making decisions look like? I receive new bitcoins from mining and from trading profits. Then I make market analysis and select cryptocurrencies. Then I make a detailed chart analysis of chosen coins. Then I have risk assessment, and after that I assess potential of reward. After all that, I buy cryptocurrency. Then I'm placing close orders and start monitoring my position. Then, if scenario is completed, I sell cryptocurrency. Then I try to find a new one. And in the end of this, I try to analyze my results. Well, let's look at these steps more precisely. My income. I receive the income of bitcoins from mining. It happens rare because of bad situation in mining in general. And I have the income from profitable trades. Only after that income, I am planning new trades. When I have enough amount of bitcoins to separate it for 2 equal parts for withdrawal in cash and another part for 3 to 5 new trades, I begin the process of finding new opportunities. First of all, I need to assess the market situation. Market analysis. It is very important because the situation defines what I am going to look for and which strategy I am going to use. It is almost enough to look at the Bitcoin itself to understand the situation in general. If everything is going up in value, then I am going to look for market losers and for the coins that don't correlate it with the market. If everything is going down in value, I am looking for coins that fall in price more than others or coins that are still on the same price level. Sometimes it is very good signal to buy. For detailed selecting of cryptocurrencies, I use the web screener Streamix or Strimex. I choose the exact exchange and currency pair. I trade only pairs that are quoted to Bitcoin. Then I tune charts on the page and begin to look for my patterns. This part depends on the previous analysis result. I am looking for patterns that are related to my strategies. I am ready to make a video about my favorite patterns and situations on the chart. Just write a comment. After I have finished choosing cryptocurrencies, I add them to the list and begin to look at them more precisely. I just examine the situation on the chart. Is it for real or not? Risk assessment. If the chart and order book is okay, I try to define the risk level. I calculate it using the exact price of my entering in position. I will wait for my price. If the current price is higher or lower my entering price, I will wait and will set up the price alert in Top Trader application. I check the order book very carefully. I try to find the real price level. It is always the price where you can see the biggest order or the great number of orders. For example, look at this chart. Please look at this level. 18.5 or 18.3. Let's look into order book and find this level. Do you see? We have here a half of Bitcoin. So you can see reaction on this order on this chart. It is a support level. This big number of orders we call size. I always look at the chart and try to figure out the reaction on this big size in the past. Do you see these levels of support and resistance? They are the big sizes. If you want to learn more about order book, please write a comment. Defining the reward probability. Assessing the potential reward is going after risk assessment. But this is actually a simultaneous process. The steps are the same. If the potential exists and it exceeds significantly the risk of the trade, then I'm looking for entering price. If the actual price is far away from my entry point, I will wait. I am setting up an alert on price in Top Trader application and wait. This application is very useful. When all above things done, I just place my limit order at the exact price and wait when the alert and my order will execute. Sometimes I buy at best offer price by limit order, but it happens rarely. There are big spreads on low liquid altcoins and tokens. So usually I keep calm and wait. Placing closing orders. After I take my long position, I immediately put the close position orders. Usually I prefer the step-by-step closing of my position. I divide it into pieces, 2, 3, 4 or even more, and place the closing orders. First order is on plus 25 or 50% from entry price, second is on plus 75 or 100%, then 150 and so on. It depends on situation, strategy and of course the potential of the trade. I also set up alerts on those prices. It helps me to be in touch. When the first alert is on, I begin actively monitor the situation on the chart. If it is necessary, I go to the exchange web platform and replace orders or close the position completely. It depends on different factors like the way of price was rising, or judging by the volumes, or situation in order book, or news, or situation on the market, and so on. There are a lot of drivers for me to react on the situation. And each of them, of course, is the separate topic of new video. So, welcome to comments. Closing the positions. When the position is closed and the profit received, I repeat all iterations from the very beginning. Some trades give me so many information for analysis that I sometimes decide to change some details or even steps of my algorithm. Rather often it is the lost trades, of course. By the way, my risk-reward ratio is 1 to 2.5 or 3 on average. So I have a 100% risk on my share of capital sometimes, but I have a lot of these shares. My portfolio usually have from 5 to 50 positions. So it is diversified completely, and the only risk is a market global fall. I'm not going to share my positions with you. It's very dangerous for me. If you will buy the same coins, the price will... No, it is not going to go up, only down. Trust me, that is the way the market of low liquid coins works. I can share with you only my knowledge about it. Or we can discuss the results of my trades after I close them. Negative and positive results, of course, but only after the close. So, welcome to the comments again. It was my trading algorithm in general. I also wait for your comments about my English, my pronunciation and other things related to it. Well, I'm waiting for your questions in comments. Write the exact question, please. Don't ask me to tell everything. I need to define the topic of my next video and I want to rely on your wishes. Subscribe to my channel and like if you like this video. Share this video and this channel with your friends traders. They will appreciate you for this, I think. Right now it is painful for me to speak like that. Hope it will be better soon. And I hope I will be able to make the online stream. It is impossible right now, but will be possible in the future, I hope. If you know how to help me with my English, welcome. I will very appreciate this. I try to find somebody to talk in English about trading and crypto topics. Thank you for watching. Don't stop the video. There is a bit more next 5 minutes about my dreams and my goals for this summer. I really need your support. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was useful for you. Now, again about my idea, or more precisely about my goal, or maybe dream, I don't know, about my English and my cards. Well, the thing is, I had been teaching and training people trading for some years. It was some years ago. I spoke at conferences with reports several times every year. I really like to speak, to perform my presentation. I adore to share my knowledge and experience with other people, and I think I'm really good at this. But only in Russian language. Yeah, that's the problem. Now my colleagues speaking and talking and negotiating easily with foreigners on conferences in Ibiza or Singapore, or while traveling the 7 seas, even. Okay, they can do that everywhere, and I really envy them. No, I'm sorry, and I really envy them. I have never been traveling before because I don't like sites like old buildings or just lying on the beach and dreaming about something or seeing other cultures. I really don't like it. But to go somewhere with the work mission, that's a great idea. And now I have a goal to speak at a large and well-known crypto conference in front of thousands of people. I actually don't know about the exact number of visitors on that kind of performance, but I have something to share with people, and have invented a topic for this report, and right now I'm working on it. Collect some facts, numbers for tables and diagrams and charts and so on. I really like to analyze everything around me, but the problem is my terrible English skill. I cannot fluent well, and don't want to look, and I don't want to look like a stupid clown from Russia. You know, that guy with balalaika, vodka, and a big bear. I dive deep into learning English since last December 2018. It is almost only 5 months till I started my education in English. Communication with you is a new level for me. It's a challenge, and day by day I improve my English skills. Well, thank you again. I hope you enjoy this new style of video. Make a comments about it, maybe about trading algorithm or something that you want to know from me. And right, shall I go on, or maybe need to change something? Well, bye. See you next video. Thank you very much for watching.